Welcome to an inside look at the advanced lab infrastructure at BITS Pilani WILP. Designed for our B.Tech and M.Tech programs in computer science and information systems, these labs enable working professionals to gain hands-on experience with industry-relevant tools and technologies anytime, anywhere. Console Lab. The Console Lab caters to courses including hands-on experience with cloud services, primarily serving courses in M.Tech Cloud Computing program and any course requiring direct AWS services on cloud infrastructure. Students get direct access to the AWS services including EC2, EBS, RDS, S3, IAM, Lambda, EKS and EMR. This lab supports critical courses such as cloud computing, cloud economics, stream processing and analytics, and service-oriented architecture. Through console-based experiments, students learn to create virtual machines, develop and deploy microservices, and work directly with cloud infrastructure. Students utilize the complete AWS service ecosystem, including EC2, RDS, S3, and Lambda, working through AWS Management Console and CLI to gain hands-on experience with enterprise-grade cloud services and platforms. This lab provides an authentic cloud computing experience on the AWS platform, giving students practical skills in modern cloud computing technologies. Our infrastructure ensures students work with the same professional tools they encounter in their careers. Thank you for learning about our comprehensive CSIS lab infrastructure.